Top 3 free apps to watch movies. So if you want top 3 free apps to watch movies, then what you can do is you can just simply open up your Play Store or your App Store. Now make sure that you have a stable internet connection and go with search. Under search, you need to search for Crackle Movie App, which looks like this. So it is not available in my region or in my country, but this is the free app. You can just simply go and download the application from your Play Store or your App Store, and you can use it to watch movies. And the other one is Tubi TV free movies app. So you can simply search for it, and then you'll have your Tubi TV, which is you just need to simply tap on that Tubi TV, and then you can go and download that application. And coming at number 3 is Plex. So you can also install the application from your Play Store or your App Store. This is also the best streaming application for movies and all of your shows. So you will have all of your streaming services. You can save anything from anywhere. You can make a watch list. You can connect with your streaming services like your Netflix, your Prime Video and everything. So these were the top 3 free apps to watch movies, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.